In the last 12 months, we have helped more than 600 product managers in their AI PM journey. They have landed job in Microsoft, Coinbase, Indeed, to name a few. But there's one pattern I keep noticing. The future of product management is not the one who can only identify the right problem, but it is the one who can identify the right problem and can build a first version of this. And this is the gap which we are trying to close in our 12-week AI product manager or builder cohort. This 12-week cohort will help you become a job-ready AI product manager or a builder. Let's go deep into what exactly this 12-week will have. You can find the link in the description box, or you can fill the form. My team will get in touch with you. This is where you can find all the details, all the testimonials and everything. Let's go what the 12 weeks will entail. Every week we'll have 4 classes for 2 hours each. Let's see the breakdown of each week. In the first week, we will understand the fundamentals of AI and machine learning, how products are getting built in AI era. Some of the sample case studies we will also solve. Then in the second class, we'll go deep dive into AI and ML algorithm. Every algorithm we will understand using a demo case study. We will also doing coding using Google Colab. Class 3 of week 1 will be all about PM interview preparation, where we will see how to ask clarifying questions using first principle thinking, how to break down any problem statement, and we will also see how would these get checked in AI PM interview questions as well. After that, we will have office hours where we can discuss any doubt and do practice preparation for PM interview. So this is the only cohort where you will get a solid interview preparation as well. There will be assignments that will be given and a strict deadline of the capstone project like idea submission, research, and building the product. Moving on to week 2. Week 2, we will start with generative AI. We will see how generative AI comes in the first place. What is deep learning, transformers, LLMs, attention paper, and then advanced prompting techniques. From there, we will go to cracking product sense interview, including AI product sense as well, to make sure that you are able to crack any PM interview question. From there, the ML Ops, ML system design, LLM system design, LLM Ops, a very important chapter if you are building AI products. And in week 3, we will see the AI stack for a product manager, how AI products are getting built and the life cycle of AI product. Then we will go super deep into the RAG architecture, vector DBs, embedding, chunking. We will also build product using RAG. So in this cohort, every concept we will have a build hours as well, where you will build exact products. So by the end of 12 week, you will have more than 10 products in your portfolio apart from the capstone big project. So we make sure that you learn by doing things. Week 4 will be all about agents, like really deep into agents, agentic architecture, multi-agentic workflow, LangChain, LangGraph, True AI. Since agent is a very important topic, we will have 2 build hours for the same. For interview preparation, we will see how to solve an AI metric based question, execution related question in AI PM interview as well. Week 5 will be all about advanced evals. We will understand how to write evals. Not only we'll understand, we'll also have a demo of evals as well. For interview preparation, we'll see how to answer any AI strategy, AI growth, pricing related question. It is not only AI PM interview question, but general PM interview questions as well. In week 6, we will see spec driven development, which is a modern way of product development. Nowadays, product managers write product spec using code context, and we'll see how to write one. We'll have a demo using Claude Code. We'll also see how to build product using Lovable, including backend, frontend, and Google authentication as well. For interview preparation, we will see how to answer GTM market entry based question and how these questions are getting changed in the AI PM interview era. For week 7, we will see how to give a good customer experience using great UI UX in case of AI product. We will learn some of the UI UX principles. We'll also build a demo using Claude design. Then we will have another build hours for N8N agents. We'll build entire workflow using N8N. Week 8 will all be about the AI metrics, AI analytics, how to think about biases in AI. For example, when you write evals, how to combat these biases. In this week, we will also learn about agent harness as well. That is one of the most trendiest topic right now. In the week 9, we'll learn about the model selection, trade-off, latency. We'll also try to think about how to answer these questions in an interview setting. From here on, the mock interview will start kicking in, so that you are very well prepared in an interview. We have 2 mock interview rounds that is planned for you. Week 10, we will be seeing how AI is being applied in B2B, B2C industries. We will have a dedicated case study hours for B2B and B2C case studies. Then we'll have second mock interview. Final 2 weeks will be all about your capstone refinement, capstone project rehearsal, some of the cross question which you can expect, so that you are very well prepared for the final week where you need to showcase your project to the industry expert. They will judge your project and give feedback. After this, you will have a good portfolio. You will have a good advanced learning, not only at the surface level, but at a very advanced level. The best project will get awards, and we'll have a shout out to the community of 25,000 plus where real product managers are hiring people. This is what your 12 weeks will have. Very intense, where we'll make sure that you are job ready AI product manager and you can crack any PM interview, right? You can find the link in the description box. You can apply, you can fill the form. This is the form you can fill, and my team will get in touch with you. So do apply and learn AI by building product. I will meet you into the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep watching.